Hello happy campers, welcome back to Yougo Camping. My name's Nikki and in today's video we're going to be discussing how to get a packing system so that all of this gear can go in your car a little bit easier. So if you've been following the videos for a while, you'll be sitting there thinking to yourself, my goodness, camping has so much gear that I need to get. And in some ways that's true, you can always camp lighter and camp smaller. So if you want to stay nice and happy and healthy and comfortable when you're camping, you are going to need a little bit of gear to make it more comfortable. But there is a way to pack it just to make sure that you can get everything in and make it a little bit more comfortable at the same time. So I'm going to take you through some of the bits that I've got to go away with me in a few days' time and how I'm going to put it all in my car and how it's all going to fit. So hopefully that'll make it a little bit easier for you as well. So I'm going to take you through exactly what stuff I'm going to be packing for my few days away. Doing a bit of vlog style, so if you like that, let me know below. So what I've got here, I'm going to spin it around and I'll spin the microphone around as well so you can see it, is... So I pack my bits up into 3 different distinct bags. In this bag here we've got the cooking gear, so you can see there I've got stoves under there, tea and sugar, very important. And there's all my cooking pots there. There's a couple of plates, some bowls, bits and pieces. There's the aluminium air thingy there for the gas stove. A little pot in here is my stove holder and a set of cutlery. I just take a normal bog standard 2-litre bottle of water with me, just going to fill it up when I get there. You can see under there I've got some utensils. Sadly you can't get these anymore. These are actually plates by a company called Oricasso, but they don't seem to sell them anymore, which is a great shame. This box is really cool. It's actually little sachets of salt and pepper and dips and sugar and things like that. It's ones we've taken from various different restaurants, shall we say. But it's great for camping because it just means that you can use a little tiny bit, and that's all you need really. So in this box, this is my tent accessories box. So in here, I've got my collapsible fire bucket. I've actually got a second one right underneath here like that, where you can see that. Hang on a second. So yeah, you can actually see I've got a second bucket underneath it. It's because I'm about to go camping with my sister and I've got hers. So I've got a couple of extra pegs in here. This is going to be used for the tarp that I haven't actually got yet because I'm going to pick it up tomorrow. This is my brush, just to brush out the tent. I've got my fire blanket in there. There's my washing up bowl that's got the tea towel, it's got a bin bag in it, a scrubbing brush and my washing up liquid. You can see that in our hygiene video. I've got my lantern at the bottom there, roll of gaff tape because you always need a roll of gaff tape, my smidge insect repellent. This stuff's amazing. I would 100% recommend it. I've got my little bivvy table standing up here, and of course my 1 kilo powder fire extinguisher. So that all goes into that box. And of course you've got the other box there. Oh, pop them back in there. Otherwise we're likely to lose them. So that's my cooking box and my tent accessories. This is kind of like personal accessories. So I've just put a army blanket in there for a second, just to keep it out of the way. But what I've also got in here is hat and scarf, my hot water bottle. There's a pair of waterproof trousers in there. I've got a wind buff down there. I've also put in here, try and move around. I've also put in here my head torch is in here, my Sawyer Mini water filter, my water to go bottle and my coffee cup. That kind of goes in there because that's kind of more personal gear, so that's stuff that I probably have in the tent with me. So the next section that I've got is my bulky items section. This is the section that's got in it the dog. This is the section that's got in it is my tent. I'm going to be taking my 2-second XL Air because it's really easy to throw up and it's not too big, and I'm going to be camping in cold conditions. I'm also going to be taking my enormous TF Gear sleeping bag with the extra blanket in it. I'm taking my Arpanez Comfort 65 mattress here because that's really comfy and I really like it. I'm also going to pop the roll mat that I hate. I'm also going to pop the rubbish cheap roll mat underneath it just to add an extra layer of insulation. We are camping on a site with electric, so I'll be taking my electric leads with me. This is really cool because it comes off into 2 separate mains plugs. It's got 2 mains plugs on them, which is all we really need. And that can go into both mine and my sister's tent. And lastly, I'll be taking the rug with me to put it on the bottom of my tent to keep my tent nice and roasty warm. Something you can't see here is I'll also be taking a tarp with me, and I've got a cool box to go with me as well. I just haven't got it out with me at the moment, but I'll show you that when we're up. Okay, so there is all the gear ready to go. I've just got to figure out how to get that into there. Wish me luck. Packing system helps you to organise your camping gear and get it all in the car a little bit easier. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit like, pop a little comment down below, let us know which bits you liked, which bits you didn't like, and don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you always hear of new videos from us, and we will see you on a campsite very soon. Bye!